Welcome. In this video we will be showing you how to safely and securely remove and replace your micro SD card from your Domino printer. Start by powering off your machine and unplugging from the power outlet. Next, remove power cable from the back of the printer by unscrewing the power cable clip screws and removing the cable. Once this is done, the back panel screws are removed to access the micro SD card. Use an anti-static wristband to avoid any electrical discharge once working on circuit boards. Remove all cables connected to the back panel. Use a sheet of paper to avoid the SD card from falling into the printer when removed. Using pincers, gently push the card inwards to release from holder. Grab SD card and remove. Replace SD card. Then reconnect all cables and power cable.